My name's Peter Corrigan. I'm 58 years old. I live in Kenthurst. I'm semi-retired. I've been an electrical contractor all my life, so I'm basically a tradie. These days I clean up after the horses, do the stables, mow the paddocks and do property maintenance, plus my wife and I are still directors of our own company and look after the business on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. The damage to my hearing probably started at a young age. I've been basically operating a jackhammer all my life, and I'd say I've probably been carrying hearing damage since I was 35 or younger. When I put the hearing aids in, I started hearing things that I'd never heard before. I did the stables this morning, and we've got a tin roof on the stables, and as the sun hit the roof, the creaking of the roof, I never hear that. Group situations have changed dramatically. I can focus now on individual conversations, which is great. At a loud dinner party with 7 or 8 people around the table, I would always find it very difficult to focus on the conversation in general and generally withdraw. And now in a group of people, I don't talk over people anymore. I listen and I interject at the appropriate time instead of being rude and talking over the top of someone I'm not even hearing them. That's one of the huge advantages. Hopefully people are seeing that I'm not actually obnoxious. I just wasn't hearing them. Hopefully. Connecting my hearing aid to my smartphone has been fabulous. Very easy for answering calls. I don't have to worry about searching around. I've got a smartwatch as well, so I answer it on the watch. Everything works together. I've been to a couple of concerts recently and really enjoyed the sound. I listen to music in the car all the time. I like old soft rock, and the Eagles sound just as good to me now as they did 30 years ago, so the sound quality is fine. I was a bit surprised at how long they lasted. The charging dock sits beside my bed. I plug them in every night, plug them into my ears in the morning after I've had a shower, and they go all day. I haven't had a problem with them at all. I've had no situations where I've had any feedback, no squealing, no odd noises in my hearing aids at all. It took a while to get used to all that peripheral sound that I'd blocked out 30 years ago. The hearing aids work fantastically. I'm blown away by how well they work. 90% of the people, probably 95% of the people who I talk to don't realise I have hearing aids in, and I have to actually point them out before they notice. And they just go, wow, that's just amazing. They're very discreet, very easily fitted and removed. The overall experience so far has been top notch. I've got no complaints at all. Now that I do hear what people are saying, people look at me differently, and I think my kids look at me differently because they know I don't talk over them anymore, and I listen to what they say. So having my hearing fixed, as in having hearing aids put in, has changed hopefully my life for the better, and hopefully has improved my relationship with my wife and family.